How to join Spotify Duo Plan. Open up your Google or any browser that you prefer and search for Spotify Duo Plan. You can find for this option through your Spotify application as well. However, if the option is missing, just Google Spotify Duo Plan. You have to tap on the first one, that is the Premium Duo Music for 2, and make sure it is from the official webpage of Spotify. So go ahead and tap on it. In this page, you will find every detail you should know about Premium Duo. Now, if you want to get it, you have to swipe to the very top, then tap on Get Started. Then you have to fill out this form including your address details, that is your street, town or city, state and zip code. For payment, you can select credit or debit card or PayPal as well. If you select credit or debit card option, you have to go ahead and fill out the form regarding your card credential. So in here, as you can see, you have to enter a card number, expiration date and security code. If you select the PayPal, you have to go ahead and sign into your PayPal and then tap continue purchase. If you want to change your country, just tap on change country, and from here you can easily be able to change your country as well. Since you are filling up this Spotify Duo, you will get a chance to invite a second person. Just go ahead and enter the email address where they will find something like this invitation from Spotify. Now all they have to do is open the email and then just tap on the accept invite, and just like that your Spotify Duo plan will be activated. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.